Hello, I'm Joe Delehay, the owner of DY Concrete Pumps. We're currently inside our service center here in Alvarado, Texas, just south of DFW Airport, where we actually do repairs and maintenance and sell parts and look after your concrete pumping equipment. We service all makes, models. Bring us our equipment, we can fix it for you and get you going. I just wanted to kind of introduce you to our team here. We've got a great team of service people, beginning with our service manager. I'll just walk you on through and introduce you to Dusty. Dusty's one of our original employees here at DY. He was our second employee when we started our Texas business.
I'm Dustin Barrett. I started with DY Concrete Pumps in 2017 as a parts tech and worked my way up to the service manager. We work on all makes and models of pumps, and if you got anything in the DFW area that needs fixed, just bring it to us. We'll get her going for you.
And now we'll take you into our service writers receptionist area, where I'd like you to meet.
Hi, Jack Keeker here with DY. I'm the guy that you want to call when you have a problem. I always answer my phone, so anytime that you have a problem, give me a call. I'll take care of you. I'll square you away. I look forward to hearing from you.
Yeah, so we just met Jack Keeker, our service, in-service and technical representative that comes out and helps anybody has a problem. And I wanted to introduce a couple of our Korean friends from the Korea factory, Mr. Brian and Mr. Jung, both engineers here, just doing a general survey and checkup on all of our machines. We get great factory support from Korea. The engineers come out twice a year, have a look at our equipment, go out to our customers, visit our customers, see if there's any issues that we need to resolve. Just looking after you. I mean, being a pumper all my life for 45 years, that's something that's never done in the industry, and we're changing that. We're doing things the way they should be done. So, thank you.
Thank you. I'm Mr. Brian, and I came from Korea, manufactured DY Innovate. And also, we always visit here twice time for checking the customer equipment, and it's gonna be make the customer happy. So we always doing like this for the field survey or something like that. So in this time, we can make our improvement about our equipment. So it's very, very good time for DYNA and DYK. So he is my the mechanic, and I also, his name is Mr. Jung. Thank you.
So like I say, you know, parts and service, that's what sells concrete pumps, and that's what makes customers come back. I've lived it a whole life as an owner, operator, running a fleet of pumps. Now as a manufacturer, I know what's important and I know what you need, and we're here to give it to you. So thank you.